Students, welcome to Study and Learn Academy. Today we will start a new chapter, Acids, Bases and Salts. Indicators. Indicators are substances which indicate the acidic or basic nature of the solution by the color change. Types of indicator. There are many types of indicators. Some common types of indicators are: first, natural indicators. Indicators obtained from natural sources are called natural indicators. Litmus, turmeric, red cabbage, China rose, etc. are some common examples of natural indicators used widely to show the acidic or basic character of substances. Litmus. Litmus is obtained from lichens. The solution of litmus is in color. Litmus paper comes in two colors, blue and red. An acid turns blue litmus paper into red, and base turns red litmus paper into blue. Turmeric. Turmeric is another natural indicator. Turmeric is yellow in color. Turmeric solution or paper turns reddish brown with base. Turmeric does not change color with acid. Red cabbage. The juice of red cabbage is originally purple in color. Juice of red cabbage turns reddish with acids and turns greenish with base. Olfactory indicator. Substances which change their smell when mixed with acids or base are known as olfactory indicators. For example, onion, vanilla, etc. Onion. Paste or juice of onion loses its smell when added with base. It does not change its smell with acid. Vanilla. The smell of vanilla vanishes with base, but its smell does not vanish with an acid. Olfactory indicators are used to ensure the participation of visually impaired students in the laboratory. Synthetic indicator. Indicators that are synthesized in the laboratory are known as synthetic indicators. For example, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, etc. Phenolphthalein is a colorless liquid. It remains colorless with acid but turns into pink with a base. Methyl orange is originally orange in color. It turns into red with acid and turns into yellow with base. Indicator: original color, acid, base. Red litmus, red, no change. Blue litmus, blue, red, no change. Turmeric, yellow, no change. Reddish brown, and all this continue. Acids. Acids are sour in taste, turn blue litmus red, and dissolve in water to release H plus ions. Examples are sulfuric acid H2SO4, acetic acid CS3COOH, nitric acid HNO3, etc. Properties of acids. Acids have a sour taste, turn blue litmus to red. Acid solution conducts electricity, releases H plus ions in aqueous solution. Types of acids. Acids are divided into two types on the basis of their occurrence: natural acids and mineral acids. Natural acids, acids which are obtained from natural sources, are called natural acids or organic acids. Examples are methanic acid HCOOH, acetic acid CS3COOH, oxalic acid C2H2O4, etc. Organic acids and their sources. Acid sources: acetic acid vinegar, ascorbic acid guava amla, citric acid lemon orange and other citrus fruits, lactic acid sour milk, curd, methanoic acids ant sting, nettle sting, oxalic acid tomato, tartaric acid tamarind. Mineral acids. Acids that are prepared from minerals are known as mineral acids. Example: inorganic acids, man-made acids or synthetic acids are also known as mineral acids. Examples are hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, carbonic acid H2CO3, phosphoric acid H3PO4, etc. Chemical properties of acid. Reaction of acids with metal. Acids give hydrogen gas along with respective salt when they react with a metal. Metal plus acid gives salt plus hydrogen. So examples: hydrogen gas and zinc chloride are formed with hydrochloric acid react with zinc metal. Jet and solid plus twice HCl aqueous. that will give ZnCl2 aqueous plus S2 gas. Hydrogen gas and sodium sulfate are formed when sulfuric acid react with sodium metal. So twice Na solid plus H2SO4 aqueous, that will give sodium sulfate Na2CSO4 aqueous plus hydrogen gas. Test for hydrogen gas. The gas evolved after reaction of acid with metal can be tested by bringing a lighted candle near it. If it gases burns with a pop sound, that it confirms the evolution of hydrogen gas. Burning with pop sound is the characteristic test for hydrogen gas. Reaction of acids with metal carbonate. Acids give carbon dioxide gas and respective salts along with water when they react with metal carbonates. Metal carbonate plus acids gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Example, hydrochloric acids gives carbon dioxide gas, sodium chloride, along with water which reacts with sodium carbonate. Sulfuric acid gives calcium sulfate, carbon dioxide gas, calcium sulfate and water when it reacts with calcium carbonate. Sodium nitrate, water and carbon dioxide gas when it reacts with the sodium carbonate. Reaction of acids with hydrogen carbonates, bicarbonates. Acids give carbon dioxide gas, respectively salt and water when they react with metal hydrogen carbonate. Acid plus metal hydrogen carbonate gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So sulfuric acid gives sodium sulfate, carbon dioxide gas and water when it reacts with sodium bicarbonate. Test for evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide turns lime water milky when passed through it. This is the characteristic test for carbon dioxide gas. The gas evolved because of reaction of the acid with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate turns lime water milky. This shows that the gas is carbon dioxide gas. This happens because of the formation of a white precipitate of calcium carbonate. But when excess of carbon dioxide passes through lime water, it makes milky color of lime water disappear. This happens because of formation of calcium hydrogen carbonate. As calcium hydrogen carbonate is soluble in water, thus the milky color of solution mixtures disappears. Common in acids. Acids give hydrogen gas when they react with metal. This shows that all acids contains hydrogen. For example, hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, etc. When an acid is dissolved in water, it dissociates hydrogen. The dissociation of hydrogen ion in aqueous solution is the common property of all acids. Because of the dissociation of hydrogen ion in aqueous solution, an acid shows acidic behavior. Example, hydrochloric acid gives hydrogen ion H+ and chloride ion Cl- when it dissolves in water. Acetic acid gives acetate ion CS3CO- and hydrogen ion H+. Acids, strong acids. An acid which is completely ionized in water and produces H+ is called strong acid. Example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3. Weak acids. An acid which is partially ionized in water and thus produces a small amount of hydrogen ions is called a weak acid. Example, acetic acid, carbonic acid. When a concentrated solution of acid is diluted by mixing water, then the concentration of hydrogen ions or hydronium ion per unit volume decreases. Bases. Bases are bitter in taste, have soapy touch, turn red litmus into blue, and give hydroxide ion OH- in aqueous solution. Examples are sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, NaOH, calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice, potassium hydroxide, caustic potash, KOH. Properties of bases: have a bitter taste, soapy, turns red litmus to blue, conduct electricity in solution, releases OH- ion in aqueous solution. Types of bases. Bases can be divided into two types, water soluble and water insoluble. The hydroxide of alkali and alkaline earth metals are soluble in water. These are also known as alkali. For example, sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. Alkali is considered a strong base. Chemical properties of bases. Reaction of base with metals. When alkali base reacts with metal, it produces salt and hydrogen gas. Alkali plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen. Example, Sodium hydroxide gives hydrogen gas and sodium zincate when reacts with zinc metal. So this is the reaction. Sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas are formed when sodium hydroxide reacts with the aluminium metal. So that is the reaction. Reaction of bases with oxides and non-metals. Non-metals oxides are acidic in nature. For example, carbon dioxide is a non-metal oxide. When carbon dioxide is dissolved in water, it produces carbonic acid. Therefore, when a base reacts with non-metal oxide, both neutralize each other, resulting respective salt and water. Base plus non-metal oxide gives salt plus water. Sodium hydroxide react with sodium carbonate and water when it reacts with the carbon dioxide. So twice NaOH plus CO2 gives NO2CO3 plus H2O. Calcium hydroxide gives calcium carbonate and water when it reacts with carbon dioxide. Neutralization reaction. An acid neutralizes a base when they react with each other and respective salt and water are formed. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Since the reaction between acid and base both neutralize each other, hence it is also known as neutralization reaction. So example, sodium chloride plus water are formed when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, a strong base. HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. In a similar way, calcium chloride is formed along with water when hydrochloric acid reacts with the calcium hydroxide, a base. Twice HCl plus CaOH2 gives CaCl2 plus twice H2O. Reaction of acid with metal oxides. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Thus, when an acid reacts with a metal oxide, both neutralize each other. In this reaction, the respective salt and water are formed. Acid plus metal oxide gives salt plus water. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Example, calcium is a metal. Thus, calcium oxide is a metallic oxide, which is basic in nature. When acid such as hydrochloric acid react with calcium oxide, neutralization reaction takes place and calcium chloride along with water is formed. Twice HCl plus CaO gives CaCl2 plus H2. Similarly, when sulfuric acid reacts with zinc oxide, zinc sulfate and water was formed. Common in all bases, a base dissociates hydroxide ion in water, which is responsible for basic behavior of the compound. Example, when sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water, it dissociates hydroxide ion and sodium ion. So NaOH converts into Na plus OH minus. Similarly, when potassium hydroxide is dissolved in water, it dissociates hydroxide ion and potassium ion. KOH, K plus OH minus ion. Thus, the bases show its basic character B. Neutralization reaction. When an acid reacts with a base, the hydrogen ion of acid combines with the hydroxide ion of base and forms water. As these ions combine together and form water instead of remaining free, thus both neutralize each other, cause dissociation of hydroxide ion OH minus plus H plus gives H2O. Example, when sodium hydroxide of base react with hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide breaks into sodium ion and hydroxide ion, and hydrochloric acid breaks into hydroxide ion and chloride ion. Hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion combine together and form water, while sodium ion and chloride ion combine together and form sodium chloride. So this is the reaction NaOH plus HCl, OH minus ion plus Na plus ion plus Cl minus ion, that it will be converted into NaCl plus H2O. Dilution of acid and base. The concentration of hydrogen ion in acid and hydroxide ion in base per unit volume shows the concentration of acids or base. By mixing of acid to water, the concentration of hydrogen ion per unit volume decreases. Similarly, by addition of base to water, the concentration of hydroxide ion per unit volume decreases. This process of addition of acid or base to water is called dilution, and the acid or base is called diluted. The diluted acid or base is exothermic. Thus, acid or base always added to water and water is never added to acid or base. If water is added to the concentrated acid or base, a lot of heat is generated, which may cause splashing out of acid or base and may cause severe damage, as concentrated acid and bases are highly corrosive. Strength of acid and base. Acids in which complete dissociation of hydrogen is take place are called strong acids. Similarly, bases in which complete dissociation of hydroxide ion take place are called strong bases. In mineral acids such as hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc., hydrogen ion dissociates completely and hence they are considered as strong acids. Since inorganic acids, hydrogen ion do not dissociate completely, so they are weak acids. For water or neutral solution, pH is equal to 7. For acidic solution, pH is less than 7. For basic solutions, pH is more than 7. So this is all about the today's lecture. Thank you very much. Goodbye.